So I am doing Laravel 11 to Laravel 13. So go to our existing. So this is a command prompt where everything is running now. So now issue is this processor. So database is not getting. The issue is almost 70 database we have been run already. So when we hitting the here, so now showing our database showing fine. So we are updating this issue is SSL, that means SSL issue. So come here and update it, so it will be solved. So that means our .htx is not work, so rename this and put here .htx. So I hope it will work now. Now it's work fine. So in this way I have updated Laravel 11 to Laravel 13.